How to fix the issue with Paycor application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Paycor application won't let me log in. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Google Play if you're an Android device or simply go to Apple Store if you're an iOS device. There in the search box, type Paycor application. If you see the option of update beside the application's name, simply click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting of Paycor application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. Then after, in the setting page, you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and choose the option of clear cache. As sometime, collected cache can also affect the performance of the application. Even after following all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Paycor application won't let me log in. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.